After each use, slide out the crumb tray and discard the crumbs. Wipe the inside of the tray with a soft, damp sponge. You can use a mild detergent or spray if you like, but water should do the trick. If you do have some stubborn crumbs, add the cleaning agent to the sponge and not the tray before wiping clean. Check it's completely dry before reinserting. If you notice some baked-on grease, soak the tray in warm, soapy water and later wash with a soft sponge. Don't use a metal scourer or it will scratch the surface. Rinse it off and dry thoroughly. Always reinsert the crumb tray into the oven after cleaning, before turning the oven back on.